A high-precision resin can only deliver its full potential when your printing parameters are properly configured. NewStetic has designed a calibration tool that simulates the fit of a Geller-type die on a working model, making it easier to optimize your printing parameters according to your printer's conditions. You can find validated printing parameters on the Portux 3D website. If the parameters for your printer are not available, you can contact our resin technical support team to obtain a set of initial printing parameters. Print the Portux scoring calibrator using the initial exposure time. Before evaluating the calibrator, clean it in 97% or higher isopropyl or industrial alcohol for 10 minutes, preferably in an ultrasonic cleaner. Perform the cleaning in 2 stages, 5 minutes in reused alcohol followed by 5 minutes in clean alcohol. Then, post-cure the calibrator according to the resin manufacturer's instructions and allow it to cool. The calibrator is now ready. Check the fit of the die in each hole. If the die does not fit into any of the holes, discard the calibrator and print it again, reducing the exposure time by 30%. If the die fits too loosely in all the holes, discard the calibrator and print it again, increasing the exposure time by 30%. If the die fits most accurately and without friction in the center hole compared with the outer holes, you have found the ideal exposure time and can begin printing with the resin. However, if the die fits better in one of the outer holes, you will need to adjust the exposure time as follows. A single downward arrow indicates that you should decrease the exposure time used to print the calibrator. For example, if the die fits best in hole 2, reduce the exposure time by 5 to 10%. 2 downward arrows indicate that you should reduce the exposure time even further. If the die fits best in hole 1, decrease the exposure time by 15 to 20%. A single upward arrow indicates that you should increase the exposure time. If the die fits best in hole 4, increase the exposure time by 5 to 10%. Finally, 2 upward arrows indicate that you should increase the exposure time even more. If the die fits best in hole 5, increase the exposure time by 15 to 20%. Adjusting the exposure time to its optimal value will ensure the highest level of printing accuracy for your models and structures. This protocol applies to any Portux 3D resin used with any compatible printer. Find the validated printing parameters for your equipment at portux3d.com.